It's cold out here. Freezing my hand off. Dog's running around. I got to keep track of her. Oh, I left the garage door open there. She's gonna pull me and make me fall. Clara, heel. Good girl. She thought she left all this snow back in Michigan. She likes to grab the ice. Probably not as smooth as Ian would do, but I'm walking and I'm walking the dog. It is what it is. Hey, stop drinking the runoff there, Pooch. Come on. Could have to pee. Off. Drop it. Come. Come on. Come. A little stubborn being a puppy. Come. Whoa! Almost wiped out. Luckily I'm graceful. Or at least more graceful than my wife. Come on. Good girl. So many smells. There we go. Back on the sidewalk. Oh, somebody's coming down with a golf cart. Hope they got four-wheel drive. Heel. Heel. Good girl. Come here. Come here. Sit. Hi. Gonna make me fall. Sorry for all the jumbling and movement and all that stuff, trying to control the dog. And she's super excited for all the snow. All the smells. All the people. Heel. I know, it's slippery. I have to wipe you off when we get in the house. Come on. Claire, come. This is our house. All right, that's it.